Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're making banana cake. So guys, these are basically all we need for our banana cake. But first, have you subscribed yet to this channel? Please, if you've not subscribed, please do well to subscribe. Hit the like button, share and comment. Thank you. So I peeled and mashed my banana. You can actually blend if you want. Guys, I tell you for free, this is one of the easiest cake to make. This took me 10 minutes mixing, 40 minutes baking. So that's exactly 50 minutes, less than an hour, and it came out so good. Next is my neatly sieved flour. I added my baking powder, baking soda, and a pinch of salt, then mix. Guys, for this recipe we are using 2 eggs. I like breaking my egg in a separate bowl, just in case. You know what I'm talking about. So next, I'm going to be adding my brown sugar, then combine well. And guess what guys, for this recipe you don't need a mixer or hand mixer. You just need to whisk and combine. That's all. Add my white sugar, oil and my banana flavor. You can use any flavor of your choice. As usual guys, the accurate measurement for this recipe is going to be on the description box. Please do well to check the description box. And yes, I added my neatly sieved flour with baking powder, baking soda and a pinch of salt. Then combine well. At this time, my oven is on. Remember, we are baking for 40 minutes, guys. Exactly 40 minutes. Please set a timer. Exactly 40 minutes, your cake should be ready. So lastly, I added my banana, then some raisin, which is totally optional. Then mix. So I baked with a foil plate and here we are. And guys, this was super yummy, moist and delicious. Thank you guys for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell. Bye bye.